Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I know. It's 2020, it's a new year. By the way, I'm not going to say Happy New Year. I don't get why people still a week, 2 weeks after New Year's are still wishing you Happy New Year. It's like, okay, January 1st, yeah, of course. January 2nd, I get it. Even January 3rd. But after that, you don't need to say Happy New Year anymore. It's just, we get it. It's a new year. Moving along. Anyways, it's been a while, I know. Probably been about 2 weeks or so. I know, well, maybe not 2 weeks, but I remember the last time I did a video, and I said, just before the beginning of the new year, I said, you know, I'll see you in the new year. So I also told you that things are going to change. There's going to be big changes coming to the channel. Just got to change these here. And there is. Stay tuned to the end of this video. A big, huge announcement. A big, huge channel change coming. For all you haters out there, no, I'm not going away. It's quite the opposite anyway, actually. So if you don't like my videos and you don't like me talking, that you may hate me a little bit more. I might trigger you. Stay tuned to the end of this video. You'll see what I'm talking about. Welcome back, folks. Okay, so that might be the last. I'm not saying anything. You know, you guys know that I have a PPF wrap on my car. If you don't, it's actually not a PPF wrap, it's PPF, period. And it's this XPEL Stealth. And you know I love it. And you know that I talk highly about if you can afford it, put a wrap on your car. Not a wrap, sorry, I keep saying a wrap. I'm saying wrap for default for people that get confused between wrap and PPF. And I've explained it in a few videos prior. I'm going to have to do a video one time with Lorenzo again and sit down and explain exactly what the difference between a PPF and a wrap is. But sorry, I'm confusing you and I'm making this even more complicated. But basically, a PPF, I've talked about how, if you can afford it, how good it is, how it's a worthy investment if you intend to keep your car for a long time and stuff like that. Well, you know what? Not even gonna explain it, not even gonna intro. I'm just gonna say this happened. So there you go, folks. That's what happened. The sun's come back since I've been playing the video. So that's why, as good as Smart Summon is, it's not to be trusted fully, and you got to be careful. And I was stupid in that part, and that was fully my fault. You just can't trust it. You have to pay attention more. So as you saw, the PPF did its job as far as I know. I looked at it. It doesn't look like the car underneath and the paint and the clear coat is affected. Ultimately, we won't know until we take the PPF off, but it looks like PPF did its job, and it protected the car. So where I'm going right now is to Inception Automotive Detailing in Oakville, Ontario. That's where I got the car done. We're going there to get it fixed. It should be a quick, easy fix, and you know, these guys are so good. They stand behind their work, and they understand little accidents happen. As soon as Lorenzo saw that, he's like, bring the car in, we'll take care of it. So we're taking it in. It's been like a week since, so, or maybe a week and a half. But anyways, we're taking it in, and we're gonna get it fixed. And while we're there, rumor has it there is something very unique and special that may happen while we're there. I'm sorry, I'm triggering you guys. I'm doing one of these leading you on and stuff like that things. I apologize to you. I'll tell you. There's no secret. Apparently, there's supposed to be every color Model 3 there that is all PPF'd in the Stealth full body wrap. So mine in the Midnight Silver is supposed to be a blue one, it's supposed to be a red one, it's supposed to be a white one, and it's supposed to be a black one. The only one, well, I say all of them, I mean all the current colors. I know they made the silver for a short period of time and then they stopped making it. That's, as far as I'm concerned, that's the unicorn of the Model 3. But outside of the silver, there's every current Model 3 color Stealth PPF at Inception. So we're gonna go check it out. So we are here. Oh, this is how dirty my car is. We're here. Let's go in and say hi to the guys. Hello. Good, how are you? Okay, I'm here at Inception with my friends, and we want to show you something when it comes to paint thickness for the Model 3s and why a PPF is beneficial and, like I said, in the car, highly advisable. So Chris is holding this, it's called a electrometer, and what these units are here, I don't know if you can zoom in there and see, these are microns, right, Chris? Microns. So this is the thickness of the paint.
Mils,
sorry, these are mils. Yeah, we had it microns before. These are mils. So this is 4.5 mils of thickness for the paint, and as you can see, Chris has it on the part that isn't PPF yet. This is just the regular clear coat of Tesla. Now he's going to move it to the PPF part, 10. So you can see the PPF more than doubles your protection. So when I tell you guys that it's advisable to get PPF to protect your car, it really is. Look at the difference. 10, 4.5. Okay, everything's coming together. We have the black one being just washed up here. We have a white one here. We have Maven, of course, the white, mine, and then the red one. All we need now is the blue one. Okay, so we've got all 5 colors of the Model 3. Once again, minus the silver. The silver is discontinued, that's the unicorn. All 5 colors of the Model 3 here, all in Stealth PPF by XPEL. We've got the blue, we've got the white, we've got the black, we've got the midnight silver metallic, and then we have the red. Is it just called red? I can't remember if it's just called red. So this is all 5 cars in one place, all 5 colors, Model 3, Stealth Stealth PPF by XPEL. So this blue one's a nice performance. This one, as you know, it's Maven already. This red one is in the works. That's why the hood is up. That's why we've got some shots of the PPF still in progress, still being installed. And then we have this one. This is the black. As you can see, it looks like a cool matte black. Almost looks like a charcoal color when it's being put on. And as it's clean, you can see how amazing it looks when the light hits it in the Stealth. And of course, this is the white. This is the shop one. Got some other custom details on it. I don't know if you can see. I won't mention what the custom details are, but you should be able to notice. And all these cars, all these cars, have you noticed one thing about all these cars, folks? They all have chrome delete. Chrome delete. Chrome delete. Mine over there, chrome delete. The red one that's being worked on is chrome delete. Of course, this blue performance one is chrome delete too. So these cars just look so much better without the chrome. And Tesla's figured that out, and they've moved that on to the Model Y. As you know, the Model Y is coming. It's chrome deleted too. And that's going to be from factory. So they've figured it out, and they've learned their lesson, folks. Once again, folks, this is all the colors of the Model 3 in an XPEL Stealth PPF. You probably wouldn't see this all in one place in a long time if you've ever seen it at all. So that's it, folks. That is 5 colors of the Model 3 in the Stealth PPF. Awesome little shot. One of the rare things, like you probably, I don't know if at all Inception will ever get those cars together again for a picture or a shot like that, but also if anyone will ever get, like, I mean, maybe Tesla head office in Fremont, maybe XPEL head office, maybe if they're into Model 3s and stuff like that, maybe then, but not many places can say, or, you know, some of the high-end detailing shops down in California where Model 3s are like a dime a dozen, maybe those places. But anyways, you know, I'm talking a lot, and if you know anything about the channel, you know that happens. I talk a lot. So I told you there was a big surprise, and I've told you even last year that some changes were coming to the channel and stuff like that. So the change is we are changing the name of this channel. That's right, it's not going to be called the Model 3 guy anymore. I still do have a Model 3, and I will have a Tesla Cybertruck in the distant future. Soon, hopefully 2 years, 3 years, who knows, I will be. So I didn't want to lock myself into the Model 3 guy. I wanted to keep it Tesla, but change it up a little bit. So because I talk so much, and some of my close friends in the Tesla community said, you know what, you should change, you should do this or you should do that, because you do have the gift of gab and you do talk a lot. So without further ado, I'm going to tell you the name of the channel. You know what? Actually, I'm not going to tell you the name of the channel. I'm going to do one better. I'm going to show you our new logo and the new name of the channel, and do that right now. So that's it, folks. That is the new name, Tesla Talks. Still going to bring the same kind of content with pro tips and videos like this when I go out on different meetups and stuff like that, and interesting Tesla related things. But we're adding a new element to the channel. We're adding the fact that I'm going to be doing podcasts. I'm going to be doing video podcasts. Our first one is going to air in a couple weeks, and I'm going to have special guests from all around the Tesla community. I don't know if I'm going to have a standard everyday guest other than myself, but we may. We're going to experiment with it, try different things. We're going to try to have a question and answer period. Don't know if it's going to be audio like Right Lightning. I don't know if it'll be video. I'll see if we can work that, or if I don't know if it's going to be just a question based like how Trevor does it on his. I'm not going for to compete with any of those guys. I just think that, you know what, there's probably a lot of Tesla owners like myself that can't get enough about Tesla. So I know I listen to 2 or 3 or 4 different podcasts on a weekly basis, and even when I finish those on my commute to work, I still want more. So I'm sure there's other people. I'm not the only one. There's other people out there like me. So I'm going to try to keep it on a regular basis, on a weekly thing, but it may not. It may skip a week or two here or there. So going to be doing podcasts, but that's just an added element to the channel. We're going to be doing the same stuff we always do. So I want you to come back often and check it out. If, once again, like I've always said, if you're not a subscriber, now's the time to subscribe. Tesla Talks, that's the new channel. I hope you like it. I mean, I don't know. Tell me your comments below. Tell me if you like the name of the channel. Tell me if you like the logo. Tell me if you like the animation. I'm going to be updating all my social media stuff. But that is the name of the channel, Tesla Talks. Tell me what you think about it down in the comments below. Yay or nay. And we'll go from there. I'm going to take everyone's input into consideration, and, you know, we'll make changes here or there. But that is it. Can't wait for the podcast to start, folks. It's going to be fun. If you want to hear about Tesla, not just Model 3, all about Teslas, and, you know, we'll even sprinkle in the odd EV stuff here, because I love EVs in general. It's not just Tesla, predominantly Tesla, but not just all Tesla. We'll be talking about a wide gamut of different things around electric vehicles. So thanks for watching. That's all I got for you today. We'll talk to you on the next one, folks. I talk too much. That's why it's called Tesla Talks. See you later. Bye-bye.